Hey lovelies, so it was a very ambitious goal to have a geo thermal environment that would be a studio and a beautiful backdrop, and I would be able to snap out some vegetables. In reality, that's what happened. It's cold, it's miserable, it's still very short to be there, and just not a pleasant place. But look at the sage though. The sage, it's actually starting to get sad, so I gotta go rescue it. So yeah, we're in Texas, but I would like to track that area there, save whatever it's still standing. And oh, look at my basil. And see if anything needs to come in for the light. This looks hideous at the studio, but it is what it is. Let's see what we can do. And I'll put under the description box all the details of what we're doing and the difficulties, but I also gotta protect my shoes from the light and the humidity. Oh, so much to do. Oh, that and it's tax season. But we're gonna get there and we'll survive. I don't know how, but we will. So that's it for now, and I'll leave you guys with, you know, hopes for this project coming out properly, this studio being what it was set to be, not what it is at the moment.